So you just got a ticket out of state. It's for a short amount of money. Do you just pay it? Doing so might be a big mistake. The reason it's a big mistake is because depending upon what ticket you got, Massachusetts could suspend your license many times for up to 60 days. And the reason this happens is because Massachusetts is part of what's called the Driver's License Compact with 46 other states, which means that these 46 states and Massachusetts share information with each other. But the manner in which they share information is what can get you in trouble. When Massachusetts receives this information electronically from the other state, they do so using this coding system, and the coding system is limited. What happens many times is you pay what seems like a minor ticket in another state, but the coding system treats that as if it was a negligent operation or reckless driving here in Massachusetts, which means the Massachusetts registry suspends your license for 60 days. Not only do you lose your license, your insurance goes up, and you're treated as if you've been convicted of a crime here in Massachusetts, even though it was a minor traffic ticket in another state. Keep in mind, in order to have that same suspension here in Massachusetts, you'd be afforded many more rights. You'd have to get to go to court with a lawyer to defend the case in front of a judge, and if you were to take a plea on that charge, you'd be advised of all these rights you're waiving. By paying that ticket, you're essentially saying the same thing without getting any of the same rights. Once you pay that out-of-state ticket, Massachusetts treats it like a guilty plea to one of those offenses. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how Massachusetts drivers can fight or minimize out-of-state tickets, often without ever crossing the border again, and how to protect your record, your license, and your wallet in the process. My name is Mike Contant, and I help Massachusetts drivers avoid license suspensions, reduce RMV penalties, and keep their insurance rates low, whether a ticket happened on the Pike or halfway to Maine. The real problem is that Massachusetts does not treat out-of-state tickets lightly, even if it were a minor offense in that state. The RMV uses a reciprocal recognition system, meaning if you're convicted elsewhere, it's treated as though it happened in this state, and you'll get the penalty as if it happened here in Massachusetts. Most drivers don't even think about it. They either just pay it online or send a check because they don't want to go back to the other state to fight the ticket. Then months later, you're shocked to see that you got a surcharge from your insurance, and worse, that notice from the registry saying your license has been suspended for 60 days. So what's the right move? What you want to do is find out if this particular offense in that other state is going to trigger a Massachusetts suspension. Just paying the ticket is a huge mistake. What you want to do is speak to a Massachusetts attorney who can help guide you through the process and help show you whether or not that minor out-of-state offense will trigger a 60-day suspension in Massachusetts. If it would, then it will be well worth the trip to go back to New Jersey or wherever else you're on vacation to fight that out-of-state ticket. Often that charge can be reduced to a non-moving violation or be dismissed entirely, which means no points, no RMV penalties, and no hits to your insurance. Step 1, we pull the full ticket record and court details to determine how it will report back to the registry here in Massachusetts. Step 2, we contact the out-of-state jurisdiction to explore plea reductions or procedural dismissals, all without you traveling anywhere. Step 3, we ensure the resolution is properly recorded so the Massachusetts RMV doesn't record it as a violation which could have your license suspended. It's about using the system correctly so it doesn't use you. If you've been hit with an out-of-state ticket, don't just pay it till you speak with a Massachusetts attorney who can walk you through the process to make sure you don't make a huge mistake and lose your license for 2 months. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our office. We'll review your record, explain how the RMV and insurance system will treat that ticket, and lay out your best options before you make that move. Follow the instructions next to this video to schedule now, and don't let one mistake on the road turn to 6 years of higher insurance and having your license suspended.